Earth's Water, written by Catherine Scrapper. Focus question. Why is water important? Water everywhere. Water fills oceans, lakes, and ponds, and it flows in rivers, streams, and underground. It is even in the air. Frozen water is found on some parts of Earth as snow and ice. Water covers over 2/3 of Earth's surface. Salt water in the oceans makes up most of Earth's water. Earth has much less fresh water. Many plants and animals need fresh water to survive. Some of this fresh water is above ground, while other fresh water is groundwater underneath Earth's surface. What are some ways you use Earth's water? Different forms of water. Liquid water is the most common state of water on Earth. When you pour liquid water into a container, it takes the shape of that container. Liquid water is always moving, even if you can't see it move. Water moves in rivers and streams due to currents, the constant flow of moving water. Lakes and ponds are standing bodies of water. The liquid water in them moves slowly. Surface and underwater currents cause ocean water to move. With waves forming and crashing, winds, the moon and the sun affect the strength of ocean currents. Not all water is liquid. When liquid water gets very cold, it freezes and forms ice. Ice is another state of water, solid water. Ice can float on liquid water. People form ice into different shapes. You've probably made ice cubes to cool down a drink. Artists even carve ice sculptures. Much of Earth's frozen water is at the North and South Poles, the coldest areas on Earth. The most common places to find glaciers are at the poles. These huge masses of ice store much of Earth's fresh water. Some of Earth's water is in an invisible state as a gas called water vapor. While it's always invisible, water vapor is all around us. When it is hot outside, more water vapor fills the air than when it is cold outside. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. On hot and humid days, the air feels thick with lots of water vapor concentrated in the air. Changing water. Earth's water is always changing from one state to another. When frozen water is heated, it melts and becomes liquid water. When liquid water is cold, it freezes and becomes ice. Liquid water can become a gas too. Have you ever seen a puddle of water dry up on a hot day? Energy from the sun changed the liquid to a gas in a process called evaporation. Evaporation happens every day as the sun beats down on Earth's bodies of water. When water vapor in the air cools down, it changes from a gas to a liquid. This process is called condensation. Clouds are made up of tiny drops of water formed by condensation. The tiny drops stick together, creating larger, heavier drops. If the drops become large enough, they fall as rain, snow, or another type of precipitation. Some rain and melt some rain and melted snow soak into the ground, becoming groundwater. Precipitation and groundwater fill rivers, lakes, streams, and ponds. Water evaporates from bodies of water around the world. Later, it condenses and falls in other places on Earth. Water is important. Rain keeps plants alive and allows them to grow. People and other animals need water to survive. We also use it for other purposes, such as fighting fires. It is important to take care of Earth's water. People are the main cause of water pollution, although sometimes it occurs naturally. Littering and dumping trash lead to dirty and unusable water. Polluted water makes people, plants, and animals sick. Would you want to drink and play in polluted water?